No money for a vacation? No worries. We're going to create a backyard haven on a dollar store budget. Let's create the feeling of a luxury vacation by making an outdoor bar. My husband and I created this potting bench out of plastic shelving and a pallet, and I'm going to link to how we made that step by step below. There's a whole video on that process, but we're going to upgrade it by making it look much more high-end, like the outdoor bars you see in vacation spots. I'm going to show you 19 Dollar Tree ideas that are going to help you feel like you're on vacation in your very own backyard. So I started by cleaning absolutely everything off of this potting bench. And the first thing I'm using is a squeegee from Dollar Tree. I find that this comes in handy in all kinds of projects outdoors, and I'm going to show you another idea later in this video. I'm using Rust-Oleum 2X to spray paint this whole area black gloss to match that black plastic shelving. Originally, I thought I'd just do the counter, and then I liked it so much that I wanted to make the whole thing look cohesive. Next, we'll use Velcro squares from Dollar Tree along with some black landscape fabric to create a skirt that'll camouflage that cluttered bottom portion of the potting bench. The landscape fabric is really affordable, and it is going to withstand the elements well, and then it can be replaced or used in the garden as it wears out. I recommend that you use Gorilla Glue or some kind of outdoor glue to attach those Velcro squares, but here's the before and here is the after, and as you can see, we saved plenty of money creating this ourselves. Welcome to Skip to My Life. I'm Shannon, and we love to talk about how to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. Next, we're headed to Dollar Tree, where I'm going to pick up some of their black ceramic plates for just $1.25. Now, you can use whatever color pleases you. I'm also going to pick up one of the wire baskets. These are meant as trash cans or food organizers. The smell of fresh rosemary brings to mind a luxury European vacation, so I thought I would bring just a little bit of that into my backyard. I picked up this rosemary plant, and the key to success with a rosemary plant is to make sure that that soil has a little bit of sand so it drains well, and I used my Dollar Tree black ceramic plate as a little saucer to prevent water stains. If you have backyard pests, try using one of the Dollar Tree wire trash cans. Over the top, these mimic high-end cloches that you would pay much more for. We have a problem with squirrels, and they like to bury their nuts in my potted plants, and in that way they just like disrupt everything I've worked hard on. So I recommend this little hack, and I'm going to top it off with one of the Dollar Tree solar lanterns. Now let's set up a beverage and snack bar using our potting bench. These outdoor doormats from Dollar Tree are just the right shape and size to keep those dishes and cups from slipping around or adding moisture to our potting bench. Thanks to those of you who have liked and subscribed to my channel. It means so much to me. I love to create content for you, and it's wonderful when you recognize something that you enjoy from what I'm doing. For a pop of color, I picked up these glass lemon coasters from the Dollar Tree Plus section. They're $5 for 4, which is about a third of what you'd pay for them on Amazon. You'll want to keep watching to the end to see the total I saved from shopping at Dollar Tree. I found these collapsible backyard tubs at Five Below, and even if you don't have a Five Below near you, I am going to add the link below so that you can order online if you'd like. This setup brings to mind a wonderful vacation getaway, but it's in my own backyard, and I'm ready to have some friends over for a brunch or a lunch. If you're new to Skip to My Life, don't forget to comment below and let me know how we found each other, and a great big welcome. Nothing says vacation like some fancy drinks, and I found these silicone ice cube makers at Dollar Tree. If you see these, I recommend you pick up several. One of them that I purchased had a leak in it, and I had to return it. So for that reason, and also because you're probably going to want to make multiple of these, they make a 2.5-inch by 2.5-inch ice block. Now, I first used tap water, and this is how it came out. It had a little bit of a hole in there, so I'm going to show you another idea that works a little bit better. But this is the scale of this giant ice cube. I love using it in my Stanley cup. It keeps the beverage cold all day long, and it fits in there just right. Of course, you don't have to use this ice mold just for water. You can freeze whatever you like. I tried a little experiment with a strawberry and some bottled water, and it did come out much more clear and solid. I'm looking forward to making fancy drinks with these fun ice cube molds all summer long. Like a lot of the country, we experienced severe weather last week, and that's why I wasn't able to get this video up on my normal schedule. Fortunately, we didn't have any permanent damage. We lost electricity for about 4 hours, but one of you commented the necessity of having a go bag. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be talking about that in my next episode. So come back if you've wanted to have one of these emergency bags on hand, and I'm going to show you how to organize that. Let's get back to our backyard getaway and talk more about what Dollar Tree has to offer. You can pay a lot of money for deer repellent, but this little hack works just as well. Instead of spending a lot of money for deer repellent that you spray all over your garden beds, I'm going to demonstrate a smaller version using these shavings of soap. Now, I have had areas where I've lived in that we've had problems with deer, and this hack works beautifully. My favorite Dollar Tree gardening gloves are these ones with the plastic handholds. I'm showing you a version of them after using them for a year, so you can see that over time they do start to look a little bit less cute, but for the price, I think these are a great bargain. If you lose your sunglasses, Dollar Tree has a great bargain on really stylish pairs, and you can save so much money on these. These heavy-duty garden bags that sell in the Dollar Tree Plus section are so much less than the exact bags sold on Amazon. Dollar Tree has increased their variety of baseball-style caps, and I'm going to show you a hack that will mimic much higher price versions. Step over to the Crafters Square aisle, and you'll find a variety of iron-ons. The instructions are super simple. All you need is to stick on the one that you want and then iron it on lightly. These hats have a Velcro adjustable strap, but I'm going to be honest, my head is an average size. It was a bit of a snug fit, but it still fits just fine for walking the dog and other activities. If you have a larger than average head, these absolutely will not fit you, but they'd also be great for children. I'm thinking of family vacations or family get-togethers. When I think of a luxury vacation, I think of a beautiful shady garden. One thing I love to do is take advantage of plants that are naturally occurring in my area. This wild ivy grows from my neighbor's yard into mine, and I like to take clippings from it and transplant it to other areas of the yard. This is a great way to get free plantings that you know will do well in your area. To keep from having to water so much, I like to mix Dollar Tree silk plants with my greenery. This way, as the summer gets hotter, I don't have to worry about the water bill. I'll link below to some of the beautiful ferns I found at Walmart that are artificial, as well as these planter boxes that would work really well for renters or small patios. If you're growing flowers or vegetables, comment below and let me know what is in season in your area. This year, I decided to grow some giant sunflowers in a sunny portion of my yard, and it's about time to stake them. I saved money by using Dollar Tree bamboo skewers as well as Dollar Tree zip ties instead of an expensive staking kit. Did you know that I'm also on Instagram and Facebook? Look for me at Shannon Skip to My Life, and you'll get even more content. I'm especially active on Instagram lately. I love to share with you my stories and adventures in my backyard garden. I've had really good luck with Dollar Tree seeds, and they sell 4 for $1, so they're very hard to beat. Some of my favorites are their Swiss chard. And as that spring vegetable starts to fade, as the weather gets warmer, I like to plant basil seeds around the base of some of my other plants. So as those spring plants are fading out, the summer plants are starting to come in. If you'd like 14 free pages of household labels, click on the link in the description box. You'll get those free labels, and you'll also be added to my weekly email newsletter list. Before the weather gets too hot, we're looking forward to sitting out at our picnic table and enjoying some meals. But it's always a pain to have to clean that glass table. Custom patio tablecloths can be really expensive. So here's an inexpensive hack you'll absolutely love. First, you'll notice I'm using the Dollar Tree squeegee again, along with the Dollar Tree car buffer to dry that large surface off quickly. We're going to customize this tablecloth I purchased from Walmart for less than $5 by cutting a slit up the side directly to the middle with a tiny circle at the very center. Next, to keep it in place, I'm adding Dollar Tree Velcro dots on each side, and you won't even see that they're there. These types of tablecloths sell for over $20 on Amazon, and at under $5, I can choose several different colors and use them all summer long. Can you believe that we saved over $300 on all these Dollar Tree hacks? No matter what's going on in your life, my friend, I hope you will remember that today is not the end of your story, so do not give up.